going, guys? My name's Rami and welcome back to yet another episode of RQ's Garage. If you're new to the channel, hello, welcome. It's so great to see you. I love seeing new people come along. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Again, it's even better to see you. Guys, this channel's been blowing up and I'm so happy to hear that. So if you're really enjoying my content, be sure to share it, post it on Facebook, post it on Twitter. Let people know I'm here to help you out and I want to give people the knowledge and the tools so they can save money on their cars and get some good knowledge that maybe we forgot about when we were in driving school 5-10 years ago. But in today's video, it's another really simple DIY, do-it-yourself. Right behind me is a 2014 Toyota Camry, and we're going to be doing the engine air filter in this car. It's old, it's dusty, it's cruddy, it's crappy. So we got a new one, real cheap. I will link the air filter in the description below. This process will take you literally 2 minutes. It's so simple, so easy. But without further ado, let's get after it. I already opened the latch on this Camry, so we're gonna find it. Open this bad boy up. All right, so right here in this box, we have our engine filter. Oh, looks like this red battery thing is popping out. Looks nice and good. So the engine filter is going to be in here. This is the filter that filters in the air that goes into the engine itself. So if there's crud, if there's dust, if there's debris from trees and rocks and whatnot, it's not going to filter air properly and our engine isn't going to run to its optimal performance. So we got right here a couple different latches on the side, and it's really simple to pop this bad boy off. Again, these 2 latches on the side, popping off, and we're just going to lift up and pull out. And just like that, we see this old filter. And this thing is disgusting. Look at this. I mean, you got some pollen, you got some fuzzies, maybe some pieces of some tree. It's really ugly. So yeah, we're gonna pitch this bad boy. And coming in with a brand new filter from TruStar. I'll link this in the description below. This bad boy was about $7. Real cheap, not too crazy expensive. They do have more high-end filters, but we just kept it cheap. We like it cheap. It's going to work perfectly fine. This little corner up here, this corner is going to point to the passenger side of the car. So we're going to bring it in, place that in like that, real easy. Bring it back down and clip them back on. And it's literally that easy. And just like that, we replaced the engine filter in this Toyota Camry. Really simple, really easy process. It's universal on many different vehicles. So for this one, it would be Toyota and Lexus has a pretty similar process to it. But whether it's a Honda, whether it's a Toyota, whether it's a GMC that just passed on by, it's gonna be really simple. Couple latches, pop it out, take the old one, put the new one in, bam, put the latches back on. Really simple. A lot of shops might charge you $20, $30 for this, and they might make it seem harder than it is, but it is really that simple. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. We are slowly climbing that subscription ladder. Love you guys so much. See you on the next one.